Have you ever used one of these devices? What about this one? Today, we are going to talk about the very first typewriters. Invented in the late 1800s, the typewriter came when the world had many breakthroughs in communication. Chris Scholes was working on a machine that can type numbers onto paper, similar to my receipt machine. His friend presented him with a blueprint for a machine called a type. This inspired Scholes to invent the typewriter, called the Scholes and Glidden. Yes, the typewriter is an American invention. If you ever wondered why the keyboard is set up the way it is, QWERTY, Scholes did that so the rods that hit the ink pad don't collide and break. Today you can still have typewriters like me. I highly recommend. They are really fun.